friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today we're diving into everything you need to know about the LAUNCH CRP129X V2.0 Elite skin tool, from unboxing and setup to its full suite of diagnostic and service functions. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional technician, this tool promises OEM-level coverage at a fraction of the cost. Let's get started. CRP129X V2.0 Elite Main Unit. OBD2 cable, USB charging cable, quick start guide, and user manual. Build quality. Rugged housing with rubberized grips feels solid in hand. Compact, ergonomic design for one-handed use. Right out of the box, the build quality feels premium, and it's lightweight enough to hold comfortably during long diagnostic sessions. 5.0-inch 720p HD touchscreen. Crisp visuals make reading graphs and data streams easy. 6,100 rechargeable battery. 16 GB onboard memory. Auto VIN recognition instantly identifies vehicle make, model, and year for one-touch diagnostics. Wi-Fi module, one-click, lifetime free updates, and wireless report sharing via Launch's cloud service. Engine, read, erase DTCs, view PIDs, monitor parameters like fuel trim, oxygen sensors, and misfire counts. Transmission, diagnose shift solenoids, clutch packs, and TCM faults essential for modern automatics. ABS, scan wheel speed sensors, ABS pump, motor data, and clear brake-related codes. SRS airbag, access airbag control units, read deployment faults, and reset warning lights. 8 free maintenance services like oil reset, EPB reset, BMS reset, TPMS reset, etc. Real-time data stream, freeze frame and data recording, built-in DTC library, battery voltage test and graphing. It also 57 mainstream brands supported. Works on virtually all 1996 present OBD2, EOBD, JOBD, and CAN vehicles, and multi-language support. Pros: for system diagnostics, 12 reset functions, lifetime free updates, user-friendly, wide vehicle coverage. Cons: not bidirectional, no advanced ECU coding, small screen size. If you're looking for a versatile, shop-grade scanner without the dealership price tag, the LAUNCH CRP129X Elite is tough to beat. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.